Hello everyone, how are you all? Good morning. Today is 10th Jan 2022 and I am Ila Anand Acharya, your certified life coach and law of attraction coach and your friend as well. Thank you so much for showering all your love on my videos, my podcast, and also showering all your love on the phone counseling updates which you are giving to me. Thank you so much. So again, I'm here to share with you some my views about this today's title, which is known as fake it till you make it. Nowadays it is a very famous law, what we can say, a tagline which we normally use, at fake it till you make it. So what does it exactly mean, or how we can use it to manifest our goals, desires, and lot many other things? So it usually happens that whenever we are in need of something, whenever we have some desire, some goal, then we first of all doubt ourselves that whether it will come to us, whether we'll be able to manifest it, achieve it. So to believe it, to have first of all this trust from inside only, we usually have this this technique which is called fake it till you make it. So in this technique, what we do is that let me explain by giving you one example. That is, for example, I wanted to become a life coach. Okay, so when I wanted to become a life coach, that was my desire, and I have affirm it in my diary by making one sentence that I am a life coach, and I am a law of attraction coach. I am Mastermind Alliance in the Mind, Body, and Soul, Mohit Tahiliani's online India's first online law of attraction school. So that affirmation I have made, that thing I have written in my diary long back. And to feel that I am a life coach, I usually have this habit of behaving like a life coach. So I play a role of life coach to my husband. That is, whenever he was in need of something, in some suggestions from me, some explanation, some discussion, I usually consider him myself as a life coach and he as my client, and I started behaving as a life coach. And also my husband helped me in carrying out this practice many a times by suggesting, or by actually saying to his friends and his colleagues that if somebody asks what is your wife doing, and he used to say that she is a life coach. So this is two things: co-creation, as my husband was also saying that I am a life coach, although I was not during that duration, but it was like, yes, I have to manifest this desire and I really want to become a life coach. So that is an affirmation, and that is a fake it till you make it technique which we were using. So whenever I used to read some book, whenever I used to write something, below that I used to write this: I am a life coach Ila Anand Acharya. Even whenever I have a diary in which, in the very front page, where I used to write what is your designation, that I used to write life coach, law of attraction coach, and other things which I want to become. Like, I want to become a podcaster, so I have written it that I am a podcaster, I am a YouTuber, I am a voiceover artist. So all those things I have written, and I usually behave in that manner. So whenever we are going out, whenever we are, taking dinner or lunch, I usually behave in the manner a life coach should behave. Like, in a positive manner, in a happy-go-lucky mode, always taking all the things positively, suggesting anybody, guiding anybody. So I used to guide my family members as well, considering myself as a life coach. So this you can do in all the situations. This was my dream goal which I wanted to become, and I have achieved, I have manifested it today. So the same thing you can do for all other things. Suppose if you want to have a dream job of certain, in certain company, of certain salary package, start behaving like that. Okay, start behaving, start imagining, start that yes, you are going to the office early in the morning, dress up like as if you are going to office, and you have all the letterheads and all the things, props, used all the props which are based on that dream job company, and you make this appointment letter, offer letter from that dream job. You have a certain amount account, and the salary is coming from that dream job company or corporate or something like that. So that is what is fake it till you make it. You are not lying to yourself. Faking that doesn't mean that you are lying to yourself that you are this. This is that you are affirming, and by behaving in the way you want, what you actually want to become, will it is just like inculcating the habit of the person you want to be. So that inculcation of the habit is fake it till you make it, and you can use it as if when you want to feel as if you want to get married. Okay, so you start behaving like a married person or married girl or a woman or a boy. I know it feels like how can we if we are still not married, but feeling is everything. It is in law of attraction, feeling is the X factor, we can say. If you can feel, if you can imagine, if you can really get that feeling of being a married woman, of how you feel when you will get married, and then you can start behaving at least for you that you are married and you are going to have a amazing married life, then that will help you to attract your soulmate very very soon, very faster. So that is what I want to convey about fake it till you make it, and this is what I understand. This is why I use it. This is how I use it in my life, and I have used it for many other things, and that will slowly and steadily I will use those examples in my upcoming videos as well. So thank you for listening to me, thank you for watching my video, and thank you for showering all your love on my videos and my podcast as well, which is titled under the same uh, Sangrila with Ila Anantacharya. And yes, we are a team of mind, body, and soul. We are a member of phone counseling team member. So you can always contact us for free phone counseling by contacting Mohit Tahiliani's website, Facebook, Insta, and same with my ID also. You can contact me on Facebook, Insta, and I'm available on Telegram also. And so thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Bye bye.